show you how to create a Google map to keep your points when you do weekly theme practice. The first thing that you need to do is open your Google Chrome, and then here you can open your account, and then if you go to your Gmail account, that's one way to do it. You can find here, just gonna change these to this one that I have so many Gmail accounts. There it goes. Next. And then here on the top you can find these little dots, Google Apps. I'm gonna go to Google Maps and click on that one. Once I have opened Google Maps, you click in the three lines that I have on the upper left, and then click on your places. After that, you're gonna go to Maps, click on that. At the bottom, you're gonna find Create Map. And that's it. You are in something that we practiced already. You're gonna title that Weekly Theme Practice Points. And then say Save. You just created it. It is in your drive right now. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna search. Let's say that this week you found an article interesting, or you read something about Japan. So you found that when you read the article or listened the audio or watched the video, things were happening in the article in Tokyo, Japan. So you search Tokyo, that's what it is. You drag your point because this is the search. You put it next to that. And then here you always label it Tokyo, Japan, the country, your name, in this case Mr. FD, and this is Weekly Theme Practice Week 1. So that's my point. If you want to put anything related or pictures, you know how to do it, because we practice this, edit, add pictures, anything. But you pinpoint the location of the action of your first article. You erase the search, and it will be here forever, isn't it? So when you do the next one, let's say that you come the second week. In the second week, you read an article and it happened in Kabul, Afghanistan. So you found that, and then you got a point. This is my second one. So now you're going to grab a point here because we practice. You place it there, and the same. You write Kabul, Afghanistan. So then you're going to write it there. It's done. It's done. And then you write your name, and then you put Weekly Theme Practice Week 2, because that's your point in week 2. Just going to correct that Afghanistan. There it goes. And says Save. And then erase the search, isn't it? So in that way you can keep track of your points. You know how to add photos. You know how to change the pin if you want. But this is going to be your map where you're going to plot all the points in the world where you're reading. If there is an action that happened not only in Kabul, but let's say that also it happens in Peshawar, in the same article, then you will need to put another point because there were two locations in the same article. You're going to put it there. Let's say that it happened in Islamabad, but that's actually the other way. We're moving into much more Pakistan right now. But the article took you there. So Islamabad, Pakistan, isn't it? The same article. So now that means Mr. FD, Weekly Theme Practice, but it still is week 2 because it's the same article. So I'm writing week 2. There it goes. Because these two things happen in the same article that I read, isn't it? So when I click, I can find it, and I can see here too how the things are. Simple like that. And after that, you share only once with me. It will be in your drive. So you just share. It says anyone with this link can watch, and then you can say share on drive, or you can copy the link and send it to me. If you say share on drive, you find me, and then you share with me completely, and done. That's it. If you want to say share with link, you can do that. You can copy the link and then send me an email. That's how you keep track of all the points in the world that you are doing in your weekly theme practice. Perfect. Thank you.